Good morning and welcome to another vlog. I can't believe that today of all days when I decided I would vlog today. And now it's the one day in Germany where it's snowing. Let's start off by making a coffee though. Because as fun as this is, I actually have to work in 20 minutes. And I am quite tired today because I visited a friend yesterday. And for a second we were thinking, oh, maybe I should sleep over. And now I'm very glad that I didn't. Not because I don't like her or her couch didn't look comfy, but more so because I wouldn't want to drive through the snow, and today I'm very happy about home office. Just to drive home how rare this is that snow actually stays, I decided to take a quick walk because snow is already melting and I wanted to go outside while there was still snow out. This morning after the daily, I got started with the Docker container, set everything up, opened everything, got everything running. For some reason it takes ages to install all the Python libraries in the Docker container. When I come back I will continue with that. Probably have another coffee because I am really tired. But walking outside helps wake me up, so that's good. So in our data science project, we had a prototype phase and we developed a handful of models. Well, to be fair, it's probably around 1,000, but they're all basically the same, just for different data sets. So depending on what the data set is, you have a different model because they're all in different contexts. And I will take one of these models and export it from our huge production server where we did all the training to put it into the Docker container and test it there, because we want to use the Docker container for sort of a soft deployment. I think I'll explain the rest when I'm back inside. My hand is freezing off. Alright, back up from my nap. I feel much more alive, so that's good. And ready to get some more work done now that I've napped away some of my workday. Like I said earlier when I was outside and it was cold, we're currently doing a Docker project where we are not really productionizing a data science project, but the goal is to test it out on incoming data and to get some feedback on the model so we can improve it hopefully. So what I'm doing today is playing around a lot with the Docker files and setting them up in a way that the code that we previously ran on a big cloud server to train the model, etc., gets running on this Docker container in a more limited scope for like testing, etc. To achieve the limited scope, I also need to play around a bit with the model because right now the model size is very big. And if we want to set this up for everything, then we will have some space problems probably. Life-wise, the snow is melting, as I updated you earlier, and it's almost dinner time, but I mean, I napped, so I don't know if it's dinner time. We'll see. Maybe we'll have dinner in like an hour. Thankfully, my boyfriend offered to cook something because I am still tired and we didn't do much grocery shopping. Really need to do that also. But before I can think more about food and my Docker container, I have to respond to some messages right now of my team and my manager regarding a morning meeting tomorrow. Well, I'm really not a morning person. First order of the day, coffee, making milk warm in the microwave right now. I've been awake for like, I mean, I'm not even really awake now, but I've been awake for like half an hour maybe, and it's 8 a.m. and I have a meeting in 5 minutes. Technically it's a pre-meeting. I got a meeting invite yesterday, I think I updated you on that, for 9 a.m. and now my colleagues want to go over like notes and agenda and stuff before that meeting, so 8:15 meeting it is. But I have the rest of the day off. I have half day off, so after all of the meetings I'll probably dip and go to IKEA with my mom, so I'm really looking forward to that. Morgen. The time has come. I'm finally going to IKEA. I had some quick late breakfast and had a shower, and now I still feel stressed out a bit, but ready to go to IKEA. So yeah, this morning we prepared the client meeting. We had the client meeting. It was interesting to say the least. I can't say too much obviously about work and what's happening, like confidentiality. How do you say it? Something like that. After the meeting, I delegated some development tasks, which is a weird feeling. Like, I sort of just always imagined that managers are just managers. Like, I never thought about the like, how do you become a manager? And I'm not saying I'm a manager, definitely not. But to like delegate your first task in a business setting is really weird. Like, I'm so used to like doing everything myself in university and also in my first few months in my job, and now it's like someone else that's new in the team asking you, okay, what should I do? And you're like, oh, excellent question. But yeah, I think we may do for today. So I think these are definitely growing pains, because I keep saying yes to like new opportunities like this project or going into this meeting alone, and then afterwards I'm always faced with like more challenges of how to like figure this stuff out. But yeah, I do need to recognize that it's me. I'm the problem, it's me. I keep saying yes to these type of things, and then I have to follow through. So pro tip number 1, always think about if you're really ready for this opportunity. I'm not saying I'm not, but yeah, maybe I'm not. Right, so when you go to IKEA to buy a vase, a glass vase, a flower vase, whatever, you come home with plants. Luckily my boyfriend already knows that I always come home with plants from IKEA, so hopefully that's fine. New plants with their family. In case you're into plants, this one is a philodendron and this one is an aglaonema, I think it's pronounced. But yeah, I think this marks a successful end to my vlog. Got plans, relaxed a bit while getting the plans, and yeah, tomorrow it's back for work for me, but for us this is goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, coming along on my 2 days, or I guess 1.5 days of work and then a bit of plant shopping, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!